I was like, I had you in the reflection. Even possums like Popeye's chicken. But he's going to town on that piece.
Love that chicken from Popeye. Just a video of a possum eating chicken. This is not good advertising. Come on.
Look at those cute little ears. Cute little fingers.
Face.
Cute little nose.
Pink little nose.
Seems well groomed. Nice looking fur.
Yeah, that is easily the biggest possum I've ever seen.
That's a small one. I shouldn't say small one.
I've only ever seen like.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
We're gonna
Killed it.
We're gonna get a choking possum on video.
I haven't seen all that many possums. The ones I've ever found in our backyard, and the one that was randomly in a bag on the front porch. Hiding.
He's like,
All
yo, give me
much
some
smaller
crickets.
than that.
Give me some crickets, yo. Down, 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 down. Hello. Chicken.
Weirdos.
Thanks.
At least the food's good.
Don't forget to eat your vegetables. I'm in the line. There's the tail on the brick. Bom, bom.